Hi, welcome to Article Galaxy. Today we're going to search and discover using Article Galaxy search bar. Using Article Galaxy search bar, you can search for scientific content using a DOI, a PubMed ID, a keyword query, or even an exact title. I'm going to use today a DOI, and in seconds, Article Galaxy will retrieve the information related to that specific item. I'm going to be able to visualize the full citation information. I can also visualize the type of access that I have for that specific article. In this case, I already have it in my PDF library, so there's no need to buy it again. I can also have access to the abstract in case that if this is a new article that I haven't read before, I can have a list of the information that it's included in that specific item. I can also have access to check reuse rights and also review related articles. And I am also able to perform an acquisition directly from here. If I click it, it will open my article in the PDF library directly. In case that I can buy it, I can do it directly here. And also I am able to add it to my cart. I'm going to go back to our search bar. We can also perform not only individual search, but in case that I have a couple of items that I am interested in, I am also able to look for them directly in here. We are also allowing the use of bulk files as RIS, div, and NDiv. So if you have more than, for example, 5 citations, you have 100, you can perform that type of search just by drag and dropping the file on your search bar. Hope you like it. Thank you.